Hello, let's go do a little cicada night stalking here. Here we go. Yep. Whoop. All right. There's one just come up out of the ground, probably. Just looking for the nearest tall thing you can climb. See how? Oh shit! I'm getting bombarded by fucking flying insects, bugs. That is, like mosquitoes and. Damn it! This light's attracting them. Oh yeah, these things are everywhere. Here's another one. Hey buddy. Alright. See how many more we got. Yep, there's more. More. They are all over. All over. God damn it. Okay. Dang. Alright, so man, bugs are just flying like crazy around here. I'm done.